do. Me out. Shouldn't you be getting back? You said his mother was sick with worry.
Talking to you, Tomcat.
Tomcat. Don't get any funny ideas, Queenie. We have an arrangement. Don't forget. Out! Oh no, there will be tears before bedtime.
And I be honored, though I'm not of your ilk. If we could get together, maybe share a dish of milk. Though it's true, the first rough, but when one's having easy, one likes the pizza rough.
Queenie, you stop! Meow! You'll be throwing up for As you forgotten, dear, the clinic has confirmed that they can fit you in. You need to be dewormed, and with your last attack, you almost filled a sack. So maybe you should go. It's only fair to say that she is rather prone to carry parasites. Her fur is not her own, and on the hiding front, to be both friend and lunch, it's better you don't know. Although I don't wish to brag, I don't think she'd leave your team.
Together, we will sing as chorus. Together, we will choose our favorite keys. Together, we will conquer all before us. Together,
You can rid her of her, please. You have to help me out. It's looking pretty grim. What will become of me if she should go with him? She's gone all dewy-eyed, and I'm terrified. She'll leave me on the shelf. Run! Oh dear, alas, alack, the door was left ajar. The duckling has escaped. We won't have gone that far. If you